Hello, listeners, and welcome to Daily Current Affairs Quiz, 25th September 2022. This is your RJ Priyanka, and without any further delay, we begin our today's quiz. So, the first question for today's quiz is: which of the following country recently renamed its capital as Astana? The correct answer for the question is Kazakhstan President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev signed a decree recently officially changing the name of the capital Nur Sultan to Astana. Now let's move forward to question number 2. To enable non-resident Indians (NRIs) for secure and easy remittance to India, which of the following bank recently partnered with Remitly? The correct answer for the question is the collaboration now enables NRIs to spend money through SBI through Remitly to their family members while relaxing at home using mobile and web applications. Now let's move forward to question number 3. Which of the following football club team won the 131st edition of the Durand Cup? The correct answer for the question is Bengaluru FC has won its maiden and the 131st edition of the Durand Cup by defeating Indian Super League ISL giants Mumbai City FC by 2-1. Now let's move forward to question number 4. A new book titled मुस्कुराते चंद लम्हे और कुछ खामोशियाँ, released by actor Manoj Bajpayee, was authored by which of the following author? The correct answer for the question is noted film actor Manoj Bajpayee has recently released a book titled मुस्कुराते चंद लम्हे और कुछ खामोशियाँ, authored by Jivesh Nandan. Now let's move forward to question number 5. After 32 years of service, which of the following naval ship was recently decommissioned by the Indian Navy? The correct answer for the question is Indian naval ship Ajay P-34 was decommissioned on September 19 after 32 years of illustrious and distinguished services to the nation. Now let's move forward to question number 6. Dash state approved the proposal of increasing the dearness allowance by 3% for state government employees. The correct answer for the question is Chief Minister of Odisha Naveen Patnaik approved the proposal for 3% hike in the dearness allowance for the state government employees. Now let's move forward to question number 7. For the first time in the world, which of the following country has successfully cloned the wild Arctic wolf? The correct answer for the question is scientists in China has successfully cloned a wild Arctic wolf named Maya. This is a milestone achievement in conserving rare and endangered species through cloning technology. Now let's move forward to question number 8. Which of the following cities' Principal Accountant General Office has launched Pension at Your Doorstep initiative? The correct answer for the question is the Principal Accountant General Office in Mumbai has begun Pension at Your Doorstep initiative. Now let's move forward to question number 9. The National Defence MSME Conference and Exhibition was organized at which of the following city? The correct answer for the question is the 2-day National Defence MSME Conclave and Exhibition was organized in Kota, Rajasthan. Now let's move forward to the 10th and last question for today's quiz. President Draupadi Murmu has nominated Dash to the Rajya Sabha from Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer for the question is President Draupadi Murmu has appointed Ghulam Ali to the Rajya Sabha. Ali hails from Jammu and Kashmir. So with this question, we finish our today's episode of Daily Current Affairs Quiz 25th September 2022. Please stay tuned for more learning. This is your RJ Priyanka signing off for the day. Thank you.